I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the
Okay, good day. So we're now going to tackle about the zeros of polynomial functions. Okay, when we talk about zeros of polynomial functions, yun po yung mga solutions po natin at yun po ay dadaan under x-axis. Okay, given this graph, and then may nagbigay po sa atin, kaya kaming mga math teachers po, nasa isip na namin kaagad kung ilan ang pinaka-possible na degree of polynomial. See, for example, eto. Ibibigay ko yan ha. Kunwari, ganyan yung graph na binigay ng teachers. Ang zeros of polynomial po niyan is, bibilangin natin kung ilang points dumaan ang ating graph along the x-axis. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Meaning to say, this polynomial function is equals to x raised to 7. That would be ang pinakamabilis para makita namin what is the degree of polynomial for this. At yan ay ang ating zeros of polynomial functions. Okay, unahin muna natin sa tinatawag nating function of x is equals to 0. Kapag x is equals to 0, that is a polynomial or a constant term. Kunwari, ganyan. So, bibilangin natin siya. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Diyan po. Ganyan ang itsura ng ating polynomial functions which is function of x is equals to 4. Again, ito po ay parang isang pagtatansya lamang po. The graph is not that so 100% perfect, pero ganyan po ang pinapakita ng polynomial functions na yan. Okay, ngayon sasabihin niyo sa akin, Sir, hindi po siya dumaan along the x-axis. Yes, hindi siya dadaan along the x-axis. Why? Kasi po, ang x raised to 0, which is equals to 1, any variable number raised to 0 except 0 is equals to 1. So, meron po tayo dapat dito ilalagay. Pero hindi po natin yan pinapakita because x raised to 0 is equals to 1. Okay. Punta naman tayo dito. X, ang exponent niya is 1. Function of x is equals to x. Anong itsura niya sa zeros of polynomial functions? Ang x natin, ang exponent niya ay 1 o yung degree of polynomial niya is 1. So meaning to say, ganito po ang magiging itsura ng kanyang graph. Yan ang pinaka-possible. At nandito siya. Isang beses lang po siyang dumaan along the x-axis. Okay, the third one is a polynomial functions which has exponent of 2. Kunwari ganyan yung ibibigay ng teacher. Alam na namin kaagad kung ano ang itsura ng kanyang graph. The exponent or the degree of polynomial is squared. Okay, anong itsura niya? Kapag squared, papaano yung zeros of polynomial niya? Ganito po ang magiging itsura ng kanyang graph. Pwede rin pong downward kapag ang ating constant is negative. Okay? Ito kasi, since it is a positive, so upward, opens upward. Okay, tignan natin, ilang beses siyang dumaan along the x-axis? 2. Yun yung zeros niya. Okay? Kaya ang exponent niya ay 2. Yun po ang gamit ng degree of polynomial. Siya po ang nagdidikta ng zeros ng kanyang polynomial. Sometimes imaginary numbers. Okay? Sometimes nandito yung ating graph. hindi siya dumaan. Imaginary numbers. Okay? Minsan naman, ganito. Okay, sorry, hindi siya dumaan. Nandyan lang siya. Dalawang number pero iisang number pero dalawang beses siya. Okay? Later on, matatakal natin din yung mga yan. Or in grade 9 or grade 8, natakal nyo na yan. Okay? Next, x is equals to the 2x cubed. The highest exponent now is 3. So, anong itsura niya? Again, positive ang ating constant number. Okay? So, anong itsura niya? Manggagaling po sa baba. Okay. Yan ang parang pinaka-possible na itsura niya. Bilangin natin kung ilang beses po siyang dumaan along the x-axis. We have 1, 2, and 3. Kaya ang degree of polynomial niya o yung zeros ng kanyang polynomial is 3. Okay? Papaano naman kapag 4? Okay, sabihin natin 2x raised to 4. Anong itsura ng kanyang graph? So this is positive, so means to say that opens upward. Okay, gawin nating negative. Negative 2x to the 4th. Anong itsura niya? Kapag negative po yun, okay, manggagaling siya dito sa baba. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ganyan po ang pinaka-itsura niya. Ilang beses dumaan? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 times po siyang dumaan along the x-axis. Okay? Lastly, x raised to 5, gawin nating negative. Negative 5x. Negative x raised to 5. Anong itsura naman po niyan? Tignan natin yung cube. Ito. Manggagaling dito sa baba, pataas to the right. Ito naman, ang itsura naman nito, since negative ang ating constant, o yung ang ating x is negative, so manggagaling po siya dito. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That is the possible, okay, na kanyang graph. 5 beses po siyang dadaan along the x-axis. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.